Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Procreate and create or open the canvas you want to use. Next, open Actions, tap Add, then choose Insert a photo to import. Position the photo using the Move tool and the blue bounding box controls. If you need high print quality, set canvas resolution to 300 dpi or a pixel width like 4096px before importing. Always place photos on separate layers so you can edit non-destructively and preserve the original image for later adjustments. Select the photo layer and apply adjustments like hue, curves, and Gaussian blur to modify color and focus. Use the layer menu to change blend modes to multiply, overlay, or screen for realistic integration. Reduce layer opacity to soften photo presence and match painting tones. Create a mask or use clipping masks to localize edits and keep them non-destructive. Use the liquify tool carefully to adjust shapes. Use the transform tool to scale, rotate, or warp precisely. Create a duplicate of the photo and lower its opacity to use as a tracing reference. Enable reference on a layer to allow automatic fills and quick color sampling from the photo. Use alpha lock or a clipping mask on a paint layer to paint within photo boundaries without erasing pixels. Use the eyedropper to sample colors precisely. When finished, export your project as PNG or JPEG at the chosen DPI. For further editing, export a layered PSD for Photoshop compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.